Okay, now we are moving to the second section. In this section, you can see we only have one row. I mean, a row with one column, and the column is basically the text with the text module. It's basically the text module. And in this section, you can see the background is different. It's kind of grayish, and then the text background is white. So we are going to try and achieve this. Let's see. You come and create a new section. You click on the plus button here. The plus button, which is blue, gives you a new section. Add a new section, and then go with the regular. And with the regular, we are going with one column, and after one column, we are going with the text module. Once that is done, just click save. Let's change the background. I will go with this same background, the one that you have here. I will steal it. You can, I don't know what you use, but I use two good tools, two good Chrome extensions. One is what we call the Colorzilla. I use this to steal colors from other websites. And then two, I use what font. This one is for stealing the fonts that are on our website. For example, if I want to know the font that is used on this website, this one is PT Sans, and I can also steal the color. You see? So those are the two tools that I use for stealing stuff from other websites. So let's go. I have this color. I'll come and change the background color here, and then to this that. Then now I need to change the color of the text module. I can do that by changing the background color. It's white. Save. But you see, there is one problem. Everything looks like the text are like there's no spacing at the top and at the bottom and on the sides. So that is what we change. To change this, we do what is called, we adjust what we call the padding. Just go to text, settings, design, then go to spacing. So for the padding at the top, I will say, give it, let's say 20 pixels. You can see I have enough space now. I can do the same for the bottom, 20 pixels. I have space there. And then for the left, I can say, let's say 30 pixels. You can see the text has moved. And then to the right hand side, I can do the same thing. Let's say 30 pixels. You can see it has moved. So my text is well aligned. And then I can reduce this size here, this spacing here. As you can see from this other website, this spacing is close to the top, the bottom of the first section. I can do the same. I can bring, by adjusting this, just, you move your cursor to a point that it gives you this shape. And then you click and hold. You see, it's reducing to 43 pixels, 40 pixels, 37 pixels, 32. I'll leave it at that point. So once I'm done with that, let's check if everything that we have are similar. Yes, I can also change the rounded corners, the corners here for that text module. I just come to the text, then design, then border. Then rounded corners, I can go with, let's say 10 pixels. Look at what's happening to the borders. It has changed. And then click save. So now I want to insert the text that I have. We had created it here. I'll just copy this text the way it is to the bottom. This one here, copy. Come here to our text module. Then delete this. Then insert our text. This is what we have. So once you have this text, you can now go ahead and, design or format this text. For example, we can come up with what is here. We will see that in the next video.